looking at our customer base and what they're looking for a learning platform is a means to upskill and reskill themselves, and also measure the skills and see, okay, what are the skills gaps in the organization, what is actually the skills and talent in our organization. So how do you see skills based on your history on NASA, for example, on Epic Challenge, and so what they mean for you, and how would you utilize this?
Absolutely. So this is what we learned from working with the student teams. What we do with the student teams is, first of all, you want to understand what's the proper mix of that team for the problem and the mission and the type of problem. And I talk about that in the book, right? So you analyze all the skills, and you make sure that the teams have all the right skills to prepare them to be as successful as possible, right? And so the other thing you want to do is then you monitor those teams to see if they need another skill. As they're solving the problem and they have questions and they recognize that they needed a new skill, can you now use that skills management capability to look within the organization and find just the right person to answer the question? And we talked about this. Why is that important? Because the people that were making the decision for Columbia as to whether or not, when they saw that large piece of foam strike the vehicle on launch, is it safe? And the group of people that made the decision did not have the right skills, did not have the right knowledge, so they didn't know. And instead they said it's not going to be a problem, as if they knew the answer. And so if you had AI and it's interrogating this team and the critical decision that was made, it was obviously an uninformed, not intelligent decision, because you didn't have the right people to make that decision.